In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website list and click on the website where you want to enable donations. This will take you into the management area for that specific site. From there, click on Manage Store. Even though donations are different from regular products, Hostinger handles them through the store settings, so this is where you'll set everything up. After the store area opens, go to Settings. Inside the Settings section, find Payments. This part is very important because before anyone can donate through your website, you need to connect a payment method that you want to use. In the Payments section, connect the specific payment method you prefer. Choose the one that works best for your audience and complete the connection process. Make sure the setup is fully active before moving on, because your donation option will only work properly if payments are enabled. If you have multiple methods available, you can choose the one that matches your needs best. Once your payment method is connected, go back and click on Products. This is where you can add the donation option to your site. In the product area, click Add Product and then choose Donation. This tells the website builder that you are creating a donation item instead of a standard physical or digital product. Next, click Create Donation. Now you'll be taken to the donation setup page where you can customize the details. Start by uploading an image. This could be a logo, a campaign graphic, or any visual that represents your cause clearly. A good image helps visitors immediately understand what they are supporting. After that, customize everything in the donation setup. This includes entering the title and description. Make your title clear and simple so donors instantly know what the donation is for. In the description, explain the purpose in a straightforward and trustworthy way. Keep it easy to read and make sure the message matches the tone of your website. Once you've finished adding the image, title, description, and the rest of your customization, click Save. That's it. Your donation option is now created and ready to be used on your Hostinger website. If you want the best results, take a moment to review everything before publishing or sharing the page, just to make sure the donation setup looks clean and professional. A clear donation page can make the process easier for visitors and help build confidence when they decide to contribute.